Thank you. Good afternoon, Prahanda. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Prahanda, good afternoon. Great, what I call soft rock anthem. Even though I sing opera, I like to sing great melodies from the world of soft rock and pop. We've called it crossover. But this, in the spirit of unity, which I think today has been a great example of that, with all these wonderful communities. Give yourselves a round of applause, even if you weren't performing. It's been wonderful. There's been a cast of 1,000 people, it must be, approximately, shall we say. So I'd like to finish with a great song from the pens of Lionel Richie and the late, great Michael Jackson, We Are the World. There comes a time when we hear the sudden call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all, we can go on pretending day by day that someone, somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. You can join them if you want, why not? Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free. Kabaya, kabaya. As God has shown us by turning stone to bread, and so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world. Let them join. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Round of applause. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. When you're down and out and it seems no hope at all, Take care.